Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are going to solve a very easy question, that is palindrome string. This question is so easy that I am not even motivated to make a video on it, but still I am making a video on it because we are doing the Morgan Stanley's DSA sheet that is available on Geeks for Geeks. So if you guys have not watched the previous sessions, so I request you guys to watch them because there are some important questions that you guys need to prepare before any coding round. So let's just see this question. You are given a string S. Your task is to determine if the string is a palindrome. So what is a palindrome? So a string is considered a palindrome if it reads the same forward and backward. So they are saying that, let's just say this is a string. It is ABA. If we reverse it, we will still get ABA. Therefore, it is a palindrome. But the string ABC is not a palindrome. Why? Because as soon as we reverse the string, we can see the strings are not equal. So this was the question. Now, how to solve this question? Let's just say we are taking a string this, and we can see this is a palindrome. So what we have to do, we can just simply reverse the string and then we can just compare and we will get our answer. But we'll first have to reverse the string, then we'll have to run the loops. We can do better. We can do better than this. What we can do, we can create a starting pointer I, and we can create a ending pointer j. So I will be 0 and j will be size minus 1. Now we'll run a while loop. Let's just not focus on the condition of the while loop, but at every step we are going to compare if s of I is equal to s of j, and if s of I is not equal to s of j, we will return false. Cool. So let's just take this example and perform our action. So here s of I is a and s of j is also a. So we can see they are equal. So when they are equal, we just simply do I plus plus and then we do j minus minus. So now I will be here and j will be here. And now we can see that still s of I is equal to s of j. So then we will again increment I and we will again decrement j. So now still s of I is equal to s of j. So then again j will go backward and I will go forward. At this point we will terminate our execution. So what we can observe that as soon as the indexes overlap, we have to stop. So let's just do it. Let's just solve this question. So here we are. First thing first, we will have to create a variable I and we will initialize it with 0. Then we can create a variable j and we have to initialize it with s.size minus 1 because j is the last index of the string. Now what? Now as I told you guys on my iPad screen that we'll run the loop till the indices overlap. So while I is less than equal to j, what we'll do, we will check if s of I is not equal to s of j. As soon as they are not equal, what we have to do, we have to escape the iteration and we have to return false. So I'm just directly returning false here. Now at every step what we are doing, we are incrementing I and then we are decrementing j. Now if the while loop is over, we know for sure that a string is a palindrome. So what we will do, we'll just return true and that's it. Let's just submit this question. So here we go. Thanks for watching guys. I will be back with another question soon.
I know I get mad, too mad, and I don't wanna do that. It hurts bad and I hate when the mood lasts. I move fast and I try hard to move past all the pain, cause I'm looking for a bright side in my mind, cause you only got one life. Need advice from the future, am I alright? If this fight feels like something from your own life, then one time let me hear you sing. Sometimes things will get hard and leave you covered in scars, but I